In this video, I'm about to show you how you can add custom mods or how you can install different enemies or monsters on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So as you can see, I have different monsters. Those monsters are not available on the vanilla game or the normal game. So in this video I'm gonna show you the list of all the enemies you can install and how you can do that in less than a minute. So let's see how we can do it. So adding the new enemies is very easy. All you need to do is go to thunderstore.io. I will leave the link in the description below, and then you will need to download the Thunderstore app. So basically this app is a mod manager that will allow you to install and manage mods on R.E.P.O. So just click the Get App button and download on Overwolf. So once you download this file, you need to open it and you will see something like this. So this is the game selection page where you need to search for R.E.P.O. Click on select game. And now in my case I have different profiles already, but you won't see any. So you need to click on create new and you can name it however you want, for example, new monsters, and create. Now select the profile and you will see the list of your installed mods. In your case you won't have any, so go to get mods and right here you will see the full list of all the mods you can install. So just search for enemy like this, or you can search for enemies and you will see the different mods you can install. So for example, this one called Wesley's Enemies will add a few new enemies. If you click on website, this will open the Thunderstore website page where you can see the details about this mod. So if you scroll down, you will see the new enemies that this mod will add and some information about each monster. So if you want to install this one, for example, just click on download and download with dependencies. Now this will only take a few seconds and it will install the mod. As you can see, I have it here already. So you can do the same with any other mod or any other enemies. For this video I will also download this mod, which is a menu that will allow you to spawn any enemy. So I will just download this mod as well so I can show you the enemies I just installed. So after that, it's important to note that you need to launch the game directly from here. So you need to open Thunderstore and click the modded button. If you don't launch it from here and you try to do it directly from Steam, it won't launch with the mods. So let's just wait for the game to open and let's see the enemies. Okay, so now I'm into the game and I have this spawn enemy menu right here. If we go to the full enemies list, we can see there are some new names, like the Lost Droid for example, or the Roaster. So this will obviously change depending on the mod you install. In my case, I have added those enemies, so let's spawn them to see how they look like. So that's it. Now we have different mods in our game. In my case, these are the enemies I just installed, but you can search for the one you like the most. So that's it. That's the process you need to follow if you want to add new enemies on R.E.P.O. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.